Hi, this is a super quick and dirty tutorial on synchronizing slides with audio from a PowerPoint presentation. Here is a summary of the steps that you're going to take. I have slides that show you these things. So first you are going to record the audio. That can just be a recording that you made, or it can be narration. And I show you, right on the timeline, you can narrate directly in Premiere. I do that a lot. Once you have the audio, you need to go through it and put sequence markers. At every place there should be a slide change. So you need one at the beginning, and then every place you think the slide should change, just press the M key and make sure that the track itself isn't selected so that you are using sequence markers. Once you have that, you've got the audio there, you know where the slides go. We need to prepare the slides. So in PowerPoint, you can just save a presentation as images. I choose PNGs, and PowerPoint will create this nice little directory and number your slides for you. What you're going to do is take those slides, drag them into Premiere. It should retain in the bin the appropriate ordering of the slides. And once you have them, just select all the slides. So obviously you need to be in the same project where you have your audio, and then click this Automate to Sequence button. And in the dialog that appears, change the placement to @unnumbered markers. I think you can leave everything else the way it is and just click OK and watch Premiere do its magic. And by the way, you may have to extend a few slides to cover gaps. You may have to trim the slide at the end, but it's usually not much work.